Hey, it's Jim from Donut Mountain Custom Models. I got a pair of two different clients, SD70aCe's. Did the lighting upgrade and the custom weathering on these guys, so why don't we take a look at them. And I think they just don't flash, not because they're not capable, but because the CV's just not set. It's just set for steady, because I don't think UP has the lighting, or has the flashing ditch lights. So factory, they were set to be just steady, but they can flash. How about that? And the lead unit, my client has that one off, but I tested the LED and it actually works, so you could just change it. But and he has the headlight permanently on in either direction. And that's basically it. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.